Hey, it's Melissa with WTI. I don't know about you, but when I see a couch, I instantly think comfort. And that's why I love this inflatable camping couch by Himalaya. It's comfortable and easy to take anywhere. It comes with a carrying case and a really durable handheld pump that makes it easy to inflate and deflate. The pump comes with its own charger and interchangeable heads so that you can use it on other inflatable products. The couch has 2 chambers, the base and the backrest and arms, and I really like that when you use the air pump, it inflates quickly and the valve is perfect because you don't have to rush to get the cap back on. It's designed to keep the air in. I hate trying to put a cap on and losing air in the process, but not with this couch. You can inflate it to your desired comfort. The base is wide to prevent rolling backwards. I set it on a downward slope and was still able to use the backrest without feeling like I was going to roll backwards. The inner tubes are dense and thick and the outer material is water resistant. It makes it easy to spot clean, but my favorite feature about this product is that you can remove the cover and throw it in the washer. If you're going to be taking a couch outside, I think it's so important to be able to get it clean. And after washing it, it came out looking like it was brand new. It was easy to get the base back into the slipcover, but for the arms and the backrest, the advice that I have is to use the Velcro in the arms. It's there for a reason and it helps to hold the arms in place to ensure that it inflates properly. I ignored this step at first and it was much easier to leave the backrest deflated and to get those arms in place before inflating. The size of this couch is the same size as my living room couch and you can easily fit 3 adults on it, and I love that you can take it anywhere. And that's my point of view.